Hello, students. Now, today, the chapter what we are going to start that is The Enemy, written by Pearl S. Buck. If we talk about the author, so she was born on June 26th, 1892, in Hillsborough, West Virginia. Her parents they were Southern Presbyterian missionaries stationed in China, where Pearl S. Buck spent most of her first 40 years of her life. She was a prominent writer. She won in 1932 the Pulitzer Award and Howell's Medal in 1935 for The Good Earth, which was adopted as a major MGM film in 1937. In 1938, she won the Nobel Prize in Literature, the first American woman to do so. By the time of her death in 1973, Pearl published over 70 books, novels, collection of stories, biography, and autobiography, poetry, drama, children's literature, and translations from the Chinese. Now, if we talk about the chapter, The Enemy, so the main protagonist of this story is Dr. Sadao Hawkins. If we talk about the childhood of this Dr. Sadao, so he used to live near an island. He used to climb the pine trees. He watched islands and played along the coast. The stone house located upon rocks well above the narrow beach. His house was just near the beach and it was located upon the rocks on a small hill. He was well educated and at 22-year-old when he went to America for doctorate and returned after 8 years after becoming a surgeon and a scientist. Now, when the story comes again in the present, so he is now a doctor, a surgeon, a scientist, and the war exactly is going on. But Dr. Sadao is not sent to the war because the journal of the Japanese army might need him. Because the journal of the Japanese army, he used to like him very much. And he was the favorite one of the journal because he was perfecting a discovery that would render wounds entirely clean. He was not sent exactly with the army because he was like doing one discovery that how exactly the wounds can entirely clean, कि wounds को किस तरह से पूरी तरह से क्लीन किया जा सकता है. Now, if we talk about his wife, so his wife exactly she is pleasant in nature, affectionate, caring. Sadao met Hannah at Professor Harley's house in America. Dr. Sadao's wife name is Hannah and she met doctor at Harley's house in America and they were married in Japan. They met in America but they did not get married in America. Rather, they came back to Japan. They took a complete permission from their family and in a proper traditional way they were married by the permission of their family members in Japan only. Now the challenges. What comes exactly in this chapter? One night, it was a misty night, means it was foggy. Dr. Sadao, he saw a staggering body appeared, like he saw a staggering body on the beach. He was wounded and collapsed, means he fell down on the earth. And he was a white man. He was American, an enemy. Dr. Sadao and Hannah carried him in to Sadao's father's bedroom. What they do, they bring that person, that American, in their father's bedroom. They washed, like that American was washed by Hannah, because that maid of their house, Yumi, she refused. जब हन्ना ने यूमी को बोला कि आप इसको साफ कर दीजिए, देन यूमी रिफ्यूज्ड, एंड दैट्स वाई हन्ना हर सेल्फ वॉश्ड दैट अमेरिकन. एंड देन डॉक्टर सदाव, ही स्टार्टेड गिविंग हिम द ट्रीटमेंट. ही ऑपरेटेड हिम. हन्ना हेल्ड द एनास्थेटिक, means the injection which makes a person senseless. It was given by Hannah. And Dr. Sadao removed the bullet from near the kidney. Means the bullet exactly was near the kidney and it was removed by him, by Dr. Sadao. And the life was saved of the prisoner. After that, he was feeded properly. He was given rest properly. That American, फिर अमेरिकन को अच्छे से खाना, उसको रेस्ट, वो सब दिया जाता है आफ्टर दैट ऑपरेशन. एंड देन दैट अमेरिकन वॉज सेव्ड, और उस अमेरिकन को बचा लिया जाता है. बट डॉक्टर सदाव नाउ वॉज एंशियस फॉर हिज फ्यूचर. लेकिन डॉक्टर सदाव अपने फ्यूचर को लेकर के एंशियस है. ही इज़ इन टेंशन. इवन दैट अमेरिकन इज ऑल्सो, ही वॉज ऑल्सो एंशियस. वो भी टेंशन में है. देन वॉट हैपन्स व्हेन डॉक्टर सदाव आस्क हिज सर्वेंट्स टू हेल्प, द सर्वेंट्स दे रिफ्यूज्ड. रादर दे गेट एंग्री with his master, and the servants they threatened to leave in protest. बल्कि सिंपल वो धमकी भी देते हैं कि अगर आपने, if you don't make this person go away from the house, then we will leave your house. And the conflict between duty as a doctor and duty as a true patriot now comes. अब डॉक्टर सदाव के मन में एक डॉक्टर होने के नाते और एक सच्चा देशभक्त होने के नाते दोनों के बीच में एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आ रहा है. दैट नाउ व्हाट ही शुड डू. ही शुड डू हिज डॉक्टर्स ड्यूटी, वो एक डॉक्टर का धर्म निभाए, या फिर सच्चे देशभक्त का. द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कम्स. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मीन्स आर्ग्यूमेंट. अफ्रेड ऑफ बीइंग कॉल्ड अ ट्रेटर. लेकिन अब उसको इस वाली बात का भी डर है दैट ही शुड नॉट बी कॉल्ड अ ट्रेटर. ट्रेटर मीन्स गद्दार. तो रिजॉल्व टू सेव द प्रिजनर. लेकिन वो क्या करता है, देन ही टेक्स, लाइक ही रिजॉल्व्स, देन ही रीचेज टू द डिसीजन दैट नाउ आई विल सेव दिस प्रिजनर. मैं इस प्रिजनर को बचाऊंगा. हन्ना एंड सदाव स्टूड फर्म, डिड नॉट रिलेंट, ट्रीटेड द प्रिजनर विद रेस्पेक्ट. द जर्नल ऑफर्ड. नाउ वन डे Dr. Sadao was called by the journal. डॉक्टर सदाव को जर्नल बुलाता है एंड जर्नल ऑफर्ड टू हेल्प एंड सेंड असिस्टेंस. और डॉक्टर जो जर्नल है वो डॉक्टर को बोलता है दैट आई कैन सेंड द मर्डरर्स, मैं भेज दूंगा, एंड दे, यू नो नीड टू किल हिम, दैट अमेरिकन, रादर दे विल किल हिम. Assassins would kill and remove the prisoners quietly. And then general says the people will come, they will kill him and they will remove him also. 3 nights passed but no assassins turned up. 3 रातें बीतने के बाद भी No murderer comes over there. कोई murderer नहीं आता. And then Sadao gave the prisoner a boat. और लास्ट में देन व्हाट सदाव डॉक्टर सदाव डज, ही गिव्स अ बोट. वो एक नाव देता है उस प्रिजनर को. एंड देन एक्स्ट्रा फूड, क्लोथिंग, bottled water and a flashlight, and covered his hair with a black cloth. And then what he does, he just covers him, he gives all these things to him, and he helps the prisoner to escape. वो उसकी मदद करता है वहाँ से बच के निकल जाने में. एंड ही ऑल्सो डायरेक्ट्स हिम, वो उसको डायरेक्ट भी करता है टू रो टू एन अनइनहैबिटेटेड आइलैंड. इनहैबिटेटेड मीन्स जहाँ पर कोई नहीं रहता. ही डायरेक्ट्स हिम कि यू कैन गो देयर, आप वहाँ जा सकते हो उस आइलैंड पर, बिकॉज नो बडी लिव्स देयर, वहाँ कोई नहीं रहता. एंड वेट, और तब तक इंतज़ार करना, बाय द टाइम एनी कोरियन फिशिंग बोट कम्स देयर, and then you can take help from them. Told him to flash the torch twice if he ran out of food, and flash it once if he was all right. And then he says कि जब तक तुम्हें कोरियन बोट नहीं मिल जाती, तो what you can do in that evening time, if your food runs out, अगर आपका खाना ख़त्म हो जाता है, then you can give the torch twice, flash. आप 2 बार लाइट जला के बता सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू आर ऑल राइट देन जस्ट फ्लैश ओनली वंस, तब एक बार ही. एंड द प्रिजनर एस्केप्ड, और प्रिजनर बच के निकल जाता है. नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स दैट ही नाउ व्हेन जर्नल अगेन मीट्स हिम, देन ही सेज टू द जर्नल कि व्हाई दैट assassinations they did not come. Then the general thinks that he had failed in doing his duty toward his country. अब जनरल को ऐसा लगता है कि वो अपनी ड्यूटी कर ही नहीं पाया अपनी कंट्री के प्रति. जस्टिफाइड हिज एक्शन, देन जनरल इज नाउ जस्टिफाइंग, अपने एक्शन को जस्टिफाई कर रहा है, दैट इट वॉज ड्यू टू इल हेल्थ एंड नॉट ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ पैट्रियोटिज्म. कि वो उसका मर्डर नहीं करवा पाया बिकॉज ऑफ हिज इल हेल्थ, बीमारी की वजह से. देशभक्ति की कमी नहीं थी उसके अंदर. नाउ दैट वंडर्ड एज टू व्हाई ही सेव्ड द अमेरिकन. नाउ व्हेन डॉक्टर सदाओ सेव्स दैट अमेरिकन, अब जब डॉक्टर सदाओ उस अमेरिकन को बचा लेता है, देन ही ऑल्सो थिंक्स कि व्हाई एग्जैक्टली ही सेव्ड. देन his own conscience replies that he was an enemy, but humanity overpowered his feeling. कि ठीक है वो दुश्मन था, बट ह्यूमैनिटी, मानवता, overpowered his feeling. लेकिन जो मानवता है वो शायद उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा हावी थी. So that's why he did not kill him. So now you just go through the chapter once, then you people will understand this chapter in a better way and try to solve this worksheet properly. Okay, thank you. Have a nice time. Enjoy.